I dare you to use what I'm going to share with you in this video and not make $50,000 to $100,000 in revenue. And I'm saying this because I believe in this so much, bro, to the point that I've used what I'm about to show you in 3 of my video ads, and I've generated around $130,000 in revenue with only $30,000 ad spend. I've also used what I'm about to show you for another video on my landing page, and I've generated $500,000 in Google ads, and I've only spent around $140,000 in cost. So here's the thing. Most of you, sadly, don't know how to make a good video ad. You think you have to put some clips together with some text and you think that's literally it, but that's not true, habibi. I have bought a ton of courses online in the dropshipping niche, and none of them actually show video ads the same way I'm about to show you right now. So I'm going to show you exactly what I do to make video ads that have generated me over 6 figures online. So I don't want to waste any more time and just get straight into the value. So the first thing to do is to do what I always say you should do, and is to do your market research. Specifically in this case, I want you to find out exactly which level of awareness your target market is in. Now there's 5 levels of awareness that you need to be aware of, and if you don't know anything about those, that's actually a good thing, because that means you're not going to have any false assumptions on it. First level of awareness is the clueless target. Those people, they have no idea what their problems are and have no idea what kind of solutions they need to be looking for. For example, these are the people that don't know that there is in their water. So if there's a company out there that comes and starts educating the masses about in the water and then giving those people a solution, then that company is going to make a lot of money, and then you'd be basically printing money from the sky. The second level of awareness is problem aware. These are the people that know they have a problem, but they're still not sure of what the solution could be. And the way to hook these people is to stab their problem. For example, if someone knows that they have yellow teeth becomes the problem. However, their solution, they still don't know what that is. For example, if you come in saying something like 40% of job interviews are rejected because of your teeth color, something like this is going to stab the target market that's aware that they have yellow teeth. So you could see, if you stab these people to where it hurts in their problem and then provide them your own solution, they're most likely going to listen. The third level of awareness though is solution aware. Now those people, they're already aware of solutions to their problem, but they're just not convinced that your solution is the best solution. So with these people, you have to hook them with your big idea first and then provide the solution. A very super duper simple example of this is the headline that says, "A Hollywood smile in 3 days or your money back." It gives you the solution immediately, and it talks about the big idea, which is Hollywood smile. So this type of headline is going to attract these people and is going to hook them in. And by the way, if all of this is confusing, just stick with me, because I'm going to show you exactly how I've used this in my own marketing in dropshipping. The fourth level of awareness is product aware. Now these are the people that most of you guys are marketing to. So this is why in this dropshipping industry, we have this idea that you have to keep testing more and more products, and eventually you're going to have a winner product. But the thing is, it's not about the product, man. The product is just there. Mostly it's about the idea and how you're marketing the product. And the way to market to product aware people is the same way you've been doing, except if you add more proof to your marketing, those people are more likely to buy. So all you have to do is basically make a very simple video that showcases the product and just add a bunch of proof to show that your product is the one that people are buying the most, and then you'll see you'll get more conversions for your video ad. And the last level of awareness is the most aware target. Now those are the easiest to convert, because all you have to do is just put a retargeting campaign and those people are going to be buying. But anyway, let me show you a real life example of how I did this in my own marketing. I once made 2 different videos for the same product, but the point was that I wanted to target 2 different people that are buying the same product. And thing is, like, they both generated different results, but they were good results. My product was basically false eyelashes, and the first video I was targeting makeup artists in it. So my whole marketing was basically towards makeup artists. Now thing is, makeup artists, they're very aware of this thing called lashes. They buy lashes weekly, they wear lashes themselves. So for me to come with a headline that educates them what lashes are and that they need lashes, it's pretty stupid. Like if I said something like makeup artists, they get more tips when they have good lashes, they're like, tell me something I don't know, boy. And the reason why it's like that is because they're product aware. So they're already aware of the product called lashes. And all I had to do was basically show them proof as to why my product was basically the best product. And the headline was basically something like this: "These lashes are better than Kylie Jenner's. Those were the words my client Brianna said to me after our last session." And then I got into the offer. "We're doing a celebration sale today. Please limit orders to 3 max, as we're experiencing an abnormally high volume of orders right now." So you see, this is all just proof. I'm using proof to say that we're getting lots of orders. I had clients, and client was like, "Oh, these lashes are like Kylie Jenner's," and stuff like that. So it's nothing really fancy. But like you see, I'm not being a dum-dum in this case. I'm not giving them benefits just like how the dropshipping gurus say. They say something like, it's like, give them this benefit and this benefit. Make sure you talk about benefits and stuff like that. But listen, this market is already aware of the benefits of lashes. So if I come and talk about the benefits of the lashes, like, that's so stupid. So there was no point to waste time in all of this stuff. And all I had to do was just give them proof as to why my product was the the best. The second video, it was towards girls who are trying to start their eyelash business. They know that their problem is to make more money, and they know the solution is an eyelash business. So all I had to do was come and hit them with my big idea. So my big idea was that we have made money with these lashes, so we're giving you the same lashes we've made money with. So the copy was very simple. It was like this. Boss ladies, listen up. These are the first lashes I bought in wholesale. They're super cute and fluffy, and I literally sold out the second week I got them. Plus they, which is my store, already give you the best styles so you're not guessing. And that was it. It was enough to the point that I spent $920 on Facebook ads, and it got me back $6,625 before I got banned. Like, that was insane. So I'm gonna use these same methods right now and show you how I would make a video ad live. Okay everybody, so I have locked myself in a new room just so I can literally have the best ideas coming up to me, and now I've written the script, I found clips, so I'm gonna start editing. Now I usually only use Adobe Premiere to edit videos, but it took me 3 years to learn how to do it, and I'm not even great at it. So what I recommend is you use this software called InVideo. The reason why I like it is because even if you're a dum-dum, you can still make great ads with it. So they give you over 5,000 templates to use, so even if you don't have clips at all, you can maybe find a clip here in the template. And I actually recommend you do this if you're selling a digital product, for example, because for that you mostly have to focus on copywriting and use the templates here as visuals to keep people engaged and aligned with your copy. So you guys know InVideo is completely free, but I do recommend getting the paid version because one, it'll remove the watermarks so the video will look more professional, and two, you'll be able to use stock videos and images for literally free compared to how much you pay for individual stock video or image, which, as you know, can get pretty expensive. So if you're interested, click the link in the description and use the code DROP25 for 25% off. In my opinion, it's a good investment for video ads, so it's up to you though. But anyway, so the product I picked is the wireless earphones. We could sell wireless earphones to just literally anybody, but we're gonna focus specifically on people who are scared of EMF radiation. So our target market is only problem aware, which means we have to stab them using the problem. Now I've already went ahead and found a couple of clips to use, and I've even made my own clips. If I wanted, I could use the free stock videos that InVideo gives you, and the cool thing is you can use them for free if you upgrade your account. But let's focus on making the video right now with the script I made. Oh, and I made the script offline, literally in this room that I'm locked in, because the whole process is pretty boring, so there's no need to show. But what I'm gonna do is use the voiceover effect to speak the scripts. I feel like that would do better on TikTok and make people trust you more. And what's cool is InVideo actually allows you to do that. Like, I literally, you just have to click the button to record, and I can just record my voiceover, and then I'll just add some text where I feel like it's needed as well. So anyway, I'm just gonna start adding the clips now, and I'll just show you some of the raw footage. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do is click create new, and specifically I want to go to the editor, even though you can do templates and text the video and stock media, but I'll pick the editor because I'm trying to do a video from scratch. And specifically I'll be using portraits because I want this video to be on TikTok, even though, like, I'm not gonna post it, but I'm just gonna show you the process. So now we're in the editing dashboard, and all I have to do is just add the files that I recorded into this InVideo. So here I've recorded 3 videos. So I'm gonna take these and stick them down here. So I have all my clips here. So what I'm gonna do is click on one of them. So for example, I wanna add this one so I can start recording it. But I don't wanna add the whole thing. I'll just add a few clips from this one clip. So I'll click this button. All right, so I'm just gonna watch the video just to see how it is first. And I'll see which clips exactly I wanna take. And bro, like, it's so freaking easy to take the clips that I want. So here I can see I moved away from the thing. So if I just come back right here, and then I'll go from here and just cut this whole thing. So I'll just take this one section, it's like a 4-second section, so I'll just add it. Because I added it, now I can just rewatch it and see if the clip that I want. So if I click play. Okay, so I'm just opening the earphone, whatever. But now I want to add another clip from this exact video. So if I come back here and I click this button. So I have the headphones in my hands, but I don't know why I freaking dropped them. Bro, I had to climb outside my house and then get the earphone that I dropped. So I'm gonna take that clip actually and put it in the video. So if I just split this from here, so from here, and then like that, and I'll just cut this. So you can see, like, I'm opening the earphone, and then this other clip is I'm holding the earphone and I just dropped them, whatever. So I'll do the rest of this fully. I'll make the whole video fully, and then I'll get back to you when I start adding the voiceover. So I'm gonna go pretty fast. I'll show you guys how I edit the video. So I found this specific clip from Twitter. All you gotta do is just go on Twitter and find any video you like and then download it. Here I'm just splitting the clip just so I can find the exact clip that I want. And I'm resizing the clip just so I can fit the aspect ratio. I'm searching up brain tumor just to find out stock footage from InVideo to use, And I found this specific clip, and all I have to do is just split it so it can match the exact video that I want in the script. And once again, just resize it easily. Like, this whole process is pretty easy. You don't have to overthink it. All right, so I'm basically almost done the video, but let me just show you the process behind my thinking and why I made the video this way. So if you look here, the first 5 seconds, you could see that I have like a skeleton with some guy who has like a device that's showing that these AirPods have very high EMF. This is basically me talking about the problem. So the thing is that I'm basically following the script here, and you can read the script after. And the thing is, like, I'm telling you, like, this like InVideo just made this so freaking easy, and it'll make it easy for you guys too. But first clip is this, the second clip is basically this. So this, I got this from the stock footage that InVideo provides you, and you can basically use all these stock footage instead of just buying it. This gives you lots of freedom to work with, because even if you're selling like a digital product, which is what I'm doing nowadays instead of like just doing physical dropshipping, I use this thing because in digital products, most of the time you're talking about ideas, you're not talking about a product. So in this little clip here, I added it because I want to say this thing here where I'm like, I used to wear AirPods 8 hours a day and got a brain tumor. Like, that's not true, but it's just good because it makes the video a bit more interesting. And I added this clip just to make this little line come out to life. And then this third clip is basically my clip, the thing I recorded. So this clip here, I found this on Twitter. This second clip here, I found this from InVideo stock footage. This clip here, I made this myself. And then this last clip here, I also made this myself. The video is basically like almost 18 seconds, but thing is, I wouldn't run this just by itself. I would actually include lots of social proof as well at the end, but we don't have social proof right now, and I'm not gonna get social proof right now. But the last thing I want to do is I want to record the script. So I'm gonna show you guys how I'll record the script. And the reason why I want to record it is because I don't want to have just text on the video. I want to have my voice on the video. So here's how it basically looks like. So I'm just gonna click this add voiceover button here and say record voiceover, and it's gonna, if I click this button, it's gonna give me the timer 3, 2, 1, 0. So I'm gonna have the script open here, and I'll basically read the script, and then I'll edit the audio file. Now listen, here's the thing. Like, I'm gonna sound so freaking cringe. Like, me watching this video back is gonna freaking destroy my brain. But the thing is, on YouTube, that people, you need to show 10 times the energy because that's what attracts more attention. So I'm gonna have lots of energy in this video, so just bear with it. All right, so we click record. Now we just have to wait 3, 2, 1. All right, now we can start. Most of you guys don't know this, but these AirPods are microwaving your brain. They have super high EMF, which is why you have headaches every day. I used to wear AirPods 8 hours a day and got a brain tumor. This is why I switched to these. They have low EMF, which won't cook your brain and will help you with your headaches. Let's stop making low IQ normal. Now I want basically the audio to be aligned with all the footage that I put here. So if it's not aligned, I'm gonna have to actually fix it up. First of all, I'm gonna remove the sound on this. So it's so freaking easy. I just go in here and I click mute. All right, so I want my voice to come up literally the first second. It sounds freaking narcissistic, man. And just drag it over. All right, so I think it's actually, I think it's not that bad. So I'll cut the little pauses just so the video can flow a lot better. And all I'm doing basically is I'm selecting the clip, then I'm clicking split, and then I just put it back together. And by the way, I actually do this in my own YouTube videos too. Just because it makes the whole video like flow a lot better, and that's what you want, right? So it's like these little things here actually matter. All right, so you know how here I'm like, I used to wear AirPods 8 hours a day and then I got a brain tumor. So I want it to match with the clip that actually has that thing, the clip. Okay, so it's actually not that bad. I just need to, so here I'm like, I got a brain tumor. Then I'm gonna actually cut it from like this thing here. I'll cut it so that when I'm saying I used to have a brain tumor, it's gonna only show just that. So you could see like it's really not that hard. All right, so I'd like to say that I'm done with the video. Now what I'm gonna do is I'll add a bit of text. All right, now I'm gonna look for text box, but I want to look for a text that is pretty normal. It's not fancy, it's not anything. So I'll just click add heading, and here I'm gonna be like unpopular opinion. What was it? AirPods are microwaving your brain. Okay, AirPods are microwaving your brain. And listen, guys, this is the boring things that most of you guys don't see behind the scenes, but it's like, it's important things, but sometimes I don't like showing it on thing just because it's boring, but just deal with it right now. Now what I'll also do, I want to bold the text because I want it to show a lot more. Now I don't want to have this fade in or fade out just because that's not really TikTok style. So no fade in, no fade out, nothing like that. All right, so technically I'm done with the video. Now all I want to do is add some music to the video just so that it's not gonna be boring. Now what I'm gonna do is click on music. Now honestly, I don't care what type of music. It's gonna be just something that keeps the video going. The cool thing here is that if you click on mood here, and then you can see all the types of musics depending on the mood. Now I'll just see the ones that are angry first. All right, so I like this one. I'm gonna add this one, but I don't want the music to override the voice, like my voice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have the volume not that low, but just slightly low. All right, so I kind of like it. Let's first of all export it and then see how it looks like. All right, so the video now is rendering, and while the video is rendering, I just want to tell you that I do nowadays use InVideo when I'm trying to make videos for my digital products. And once again, if you're truly a dumb with editing, you don't need to truly learn how to do editing to make money with dropshipping. So I recommend getting InVideo just so you can edit videos very quickly. And honestly, this video did not take me a long time. What did take me a long time is just writing the scripts. Now let's watch the video on how it looks like now. Most of you guys don't know this, but these AirPods are microwaving your brain. They have super high EMF, which is why you have headaches every day. I used to wear AirPods 8 hours a day and got a brain tumor. This is why I switched to these. They have low EMF, which won't cook your brain and will help you with your headaches. Let's stop making low IQ normal. All right, so this is the video. The video could have been a lot better if I actually found more clips and have made more clips. But thing is, I just wanted to show you guys an example of what kind of videos that you guys should be making. You don't need to make the same exact videos that everyone else shows you to do. This video would have been a lot better if I added social proof, and it would have been a lot better if I actually showed the offer at the end of the video, so people are more likely to go and click for the link. Now, some of you guys who are watching this are a bit of chodes, so what you might do is download this whole YouTube video that you're watching right now and try to just take the clip of the video ad that I made, and you'll think that if you run that ad, it's gonna make you a bit of money. But that's not true, Habibi. If you take this video ad that I just made, it's not gonna work for you. One, because I didn't actually add social proof into this video, so if you add a bit of social proof at the end, it could work. But the second reason is because it's gonna come out very low quality, and TikTok will detect that it's basically a video that you've downloaded. So even if you download this YouTube video and take the clip, it's not gonna work. So what I recommend you do is just get InVideo and make this video yourself. Now, I do have an affiliate link in the description below, so if you get InVideo through that link, I'll get a commission, so you're just helping out the channel, and I appreciate that. If you don't want to do that, you can just go and get InVideo by yourself. There is actually a code that you can use to get 25% off. I'll put it on the screen right now. But bro, like, InVideo has been helping me. It's been helping me a lot with the digital product ads, and I know a ton of dropshippers who are actually benefiting from InVideo, especially the ones who are moving on to selling digital products as opposed to just only physical products. Because the thing is, again, stock videos in this InVideo, they actually do help you create videos very easily. And just to recap what the main point of this whole video was, is to find out what level of awareness your target market is in, and then try to speak to them through that level of awareness. Because you can't go to someone and be like talking about the problem and everything when they already know there's a problem, but they're looking for a solution. Just give them the solution immediately and talk about the big idea. And then once you have made the scripts fully, then you can go online and look for clips to find that can match your script, and go to InVideo, use it. You can become really creative with this if you're able to find more ideas to write about, and then use the stock footage to make multiple ads and test those. And that's all I have for you today, man. If you're willing to support the channel, then why not? You can just get the affiliate link that I have in the link in the bio. If you don't want to, it's fine. Just go to InVideo and use the code. It literally gives it to you for 25% off, which is like, it's not that bad. And I truly hope you benefited from this video, so take care.